水を使わない衣類の選択を。
The concept of our project is to use plant to produce vegetable in Mars.
気候変動で苦しむ人たち向けに小型衛星で高頻度観測データを取得しようと思っています。
Enhancing resilient flat community through space technology.
10年に一度の小惑星探査を1ヶ月に1回の世界に変えていきます。
宇宙からの気象予測で確実に美しいオーロラをいつでも見に行ける、そんな世の中を作っていきたいと思っています。
皆様、大変お待たせいたしました。本日はご多忙の中、S ブースター2023最終選抜会にお越しいただきまして誠にありがとうございます。私、本日の司会進行を務めさせていただきます春野舞香と申します。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。続いては No.6 My AI AS FlashNET Forecasting and Localized Sensing for Hazard Networked Evacuation and Transportation。 私たちは都市ネットワーク交通システムにおける鉄砲水軽減戦略に重点を置いた事業を目指しています。宇宙技術、すなわち衛星システムを統合する AI 技術を搭載した IoT デバイスを取り入れた最新ソリューションを政府に提供していきます。私たちの事業戦略は地方自治体、自動車産業、保険会社、農業や指導開発業者などのステークホルダーを対象としています。Please start your presentation.
Climate change, an undeniable reality, now has shown a very catastrophic disaster all over the world. The consequences are really unexpected. These are the top 5 countries that their population are at risk due to flash flood. Number 1, Netherlands, 2, Bangladesh, followed closely by Vietnam. Number 2 and number 3 are the Asia country. And if you look at the right side of this presentation, Southeast Asia region, staggering of 1.24 billion of people at risk. What was once an unexpected event now has become a new norm, a new reality. Imagine, as you return from work, you do not have any ideas that the road has been affected by flash flood. The result? Stranded vehicle, heavy traffic jam, valuable time loss, and the most heartbreaking cases, life lost due to flash flood, happen almost every year. Minasama, konnichiwa. Today, we are here to introduce FlashNET, a comprehensive solution that leverage space and ground technology to enhance vehicle safety during flash flood events. Our technology combines database preparedness, mitigation, and real-time decision-making to ensure you and your asset stay safe. FlashNET, our cutting-edge solutions, collect real-time data, near real-time data from imagery satellite, particularly Himawari. At the same time, our ground device collect accurate real-time ground information. This data will be sent to FlashNET cloud platform. Our AI forecasting algorithm with the ability of 98.7% accuracy, able to predict area at risk within 60 seconds. Once flood threat is detected, early warning messages will be sent to all potential affected vehicle users via satellite-based navigation, Mitsubishi satellite. The system provides alternative route navigation for preparedness and mitigation. So basically, this is the comprehensive solutions of FlashNET, leveraging space and ground technology to enhance vehicle safety during flash flood event. Ladies and gentlemen, in the year of 2020, the total cost damage of vehicle due to flash flood has staggered almost 100 million USD in Southeast Asia region. This is not just a number. this is not just a statistic, but it's a promise to automotive industry, especially their business continuity plan. When it comes to FlashNet revenue and projection, we estimate a reach of 5 million vehicle users install FlashNet in their vehicle in Southeast Asia, with the cost installation just $100, projecting a revenue of $2.5 billion over the next 5 years. On the hardware front, we estimate a reach of 10,000 location ground device installed across Southeast Asia, with the price of $5,000 per device, projecting a revenue of $25 million over the next, say, 5 years. FlashNet is a software and hardware-based solutions. And to make this mission a success, we partner with the best industry. This partnership consists of product enhancement, scalability, and global expansion. And further to enhance this partnership, the ability of FlashNet to provide TCFD data, making it as attractive collaborator for those organizations that want to enhance their climate resilience and sustainability. We have been on this mission since 3 years ago, starting in 2021, when we noticed the imbalance in climate nature. Our effort began with prototype development, then we did proof of concept in the local community, and recently we expanded multinational agency collaboration for better, resilient, and sustainable community. Looking ahead, FlashNet isn't just for one field. The technology potential can be transcended into other areas, such as agriculture, insurance agency, and even warehouse logistics. The potential are boundless. Well, to make this mission a success, these are the people behind FlashNet. We are very committed to use space and ground technology to combat climate nature. Again, FlashNet isn't just a technology. It's a beacon of hope for a better and sustainable future. Thank you for your time. どうもありがとうございました。
Thank you for your presentation. それでは質疑に移らせていただきます。質問がある方は挙手にてお知らせください。Yes です。おめでとうございます。Congratulations. My AI AS.Please come to the center. おめでとうございます。プレゼンターの安井様より表彰状、クリスタルトロフィー並びに副賞の目録を授与いただきます。
表彰状、ホンダ R&D 賞、フラッシュネット、My AI AS、フラッシュネット。あなたの提案は当実行委員会主催の S ブースター2023において厳正なる審査の結果、ホンダ R&D 賞と認められました。よってここに表彰します。令和5年11月16日 S ブースター2023スポンサー株式会社ホンダ技術研究所先進技術研究所篠岡領域エグゼクティブエンジニア安井裕二。おめでとう。
おめでとうございます。それでは安井様、選考理由をお聞かせください。
ホンダもやんなきゃなんないなと。車の中で人を死なせてはいけない。それをですね、一緒にやる。パートナーとして彼を選びました。はい。おめでとう。
ありがとうございます。それではこの後、記念撮影に移りたいと思います。カメラの方にどうぞ目線をお願いいたします。はい、ありがとうございます。それでは皆様、大きな拍手をお願いいたします。